Doing an impromptu cake making today. Woohoo! No warning or anything. I won't be surprised if nobody watches this live, but whatever. So today is, wow, this shirt makes me look fat. Today is how to make a Betty Crocker cake. Ooh, I'm doing golden this time. So step one is to preheat your oven to well, you can't even see my hand. Preheat my oven to 450. That's actually doing it this time. We grease the pan. It's been greased with canola oil. And then I have this mixture, which is a cup of milk and a half cup of vegetable oil. So that's going to go in, along with 3 hopefully cracked eggs. Actually, I should probably do this in the bowl. That is smart. Make sure there are no shells. So we got 1. Come on, you can do it. Come on, come out. Come out, come out, wherever you are, silly eggs. 2. Well, I got eggshell. Let's get rid of that. Come on. Come on, little eggshell. Get out. Oh, bugger, come on. Stop going in between the fork prongs. Wash the hands before we do the last one. Let's go. Because it was being silly. I also use the fork. Chop it in half. Right in. Alright, we got no egg yolks, eggshells now. Rinse the hands off. Drop those bad boys in here. Oh, you can't even see that. Or my head. This is like the worst possible angle ever. Let us move this back a smidgen so that you can see. Hopefully that's good enough. Oh, well, if I bend down it is. Yes, okay. We also need to add the cake mix. Also play it safe and just cut it. You don't need to go and have it go everywhere. Okay, so now everything is in the bowl that you need. Step 2, if you have a mixer like this, instead of that medium, or if you have a whisk, like so, you need to beat it vigorously for 2 minutes. So this will be loud, but whatever, let's go. Make sure you move it. Oh God, you can't even hear me. As you can see, as you're taking it out, oh, hold on, just go slower. Nope, you want to go to the slowest setting and lift it up slowly. So you basically get nothing on your whisk or tools. Okay, yay. Make sure you unplug stuff after you're done using it. Okay, step 3. Well, still part of step 2. Pour it in the pan. You got this to help us pour it in the pan, which as I said, I greased already. So we pour it and use the spatula to make sure we get everything we can out. Because obviously the bowl isn't exactly the best for pouring stuff out. Okay, now I've got like 99% of it out. Not supposed to do that, but I like it. It tastes good. As you can see, we need to kind of wiggle this to get all the liquid. Yes, I know you're preheated. Wiggle this to make sure it is perfectly flat and even in the pan. And then according to the time on the box, for this pan size, it is for 28 to 33 minutes. So we will check it at 28 minutes after we put it in. Okay. Don't forget to set a timer. And I'll see you. Oh, I got actually people in the chat. Anyway, I'll